Imagine English without actions. No eating, no speaking, no moving. That's why verbs are so important. They bring life to your sentences. Today, I will teach you the easiest way to understand verbs. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today, we are learning about verbs, the action words of English. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone does or what something does. Examples: eat, run, sleep, write, talk. Some verbs do not show an action, but they tell us about a state or condition. These are the be verbs: am, is, are, was, were. Examples: I am happy. She is a teacher. They are friends. Action verbs show an action. Examples: I eat rice. He plays football. They study English. State verbs show a state, not an action. Examples: I know the answer. She likes music. They believe you. When verbs change their form in past tense, some change normally, some change differently. Regular verbs add ed in the past and past participle. Examples: walk, walked, walked. Invite, invited, invited. Irregular verbs change completely. Examples: go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. Don't worry, we will learn these step by step in future lessons. Verbs are powerful. Without verbs, a sentence is incomplete. Now let's look at some simple verb examples in sentences. I drink water. She writes a letter. They play games. The baby is sleepy. We are ready. Say the action with me. I run. You read. He eats. They walk. We learn English. Great job! In the next lesson, we will learn adjectives, words that describe nouns. They make your English more colorful and interesting. Thank you for learning with LELTA today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And don't forget to watch the next video, Adjectives, in our Parts of Speech series. Imagine English without action. Action verbs show an action. They make your English more colorful and interesting, and I feel so grateful. Examples: go, went, gone.